You've chosen your frame, and so now it's time to measure. In this case right here, we're going to be measuring an inside mount opening. So you want to make sure you have a steel tape measure, and you're going to measure your extreme top, your middle, and your bottom. You want to take the smallest of those three measurements for an inside mount and round down to the nearest eighth. So we started with our width, now we're going to measure our height. So you're going to measure your extreme left, center, and extreme right. Again, take the smallest size and round down to the nearest eighth. Once you've measured your width and your height, now it's time to measure your diagonal. So upper left, bottom right, upper right, bottom left. You want to compare these two, and if it's too far out of square, then you want to consider doing an outside mount application versus an inside mount application. We're going to be measuring for an outside mount application this time. As you can see, this window has casing around the window, and we're going to be mounting directly on top of this casing. So it's going to be what we consider a tip-to-tip measurement. I'm going to measure from one tip to the other tip. We do this by, first of all, you want to make sure you have a steel tape measure. Put the edge of your tape on one side, all the way to the other tip. It's going to be your measurement. You want to measure the extreme top, the middle, and the bottom at the sill. And then you're going to take your larger of the three sizes, rounding up to the nearest eighth. You're going to do your height the same way. Go ahead and set your tape on the sill, extreme left, measure up to the tip of the casement, middle, and extreme right up to the tip of the casement. Again, for outside mount, we want to round up to our larger size by the nearest eighth.
There are 4 things to remember when measuring. Always measure the width in 3 places: top, middle, and bottom. Measure the height in 3 places as well: left, center, and right. For the final measurement, round down to the nearest 1/8 inch for inside mount applications and round up to the nearest 1/8 inch for outside mount applications.